International English Language Testing System is a globally recognized test that evaluates the English language proficiency of non-native English speakers. It assesses 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. There are different ways of scoring good marks in the test. Here are a few tips and tricks of reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Reading tips. Number 1 is skim and scan. Quickly skim through passages to grasp the main idea, then scan for specific details needed to answer questions efficiently. Number 2 is manage time. Allocate time wisely and prioritize easier questions first. Writing tips. Plan your writing. Spend a few minutes planning your essay or report structure before you start writing. This helps organize your ideas and ensures coherence. Answer the question. Always address the task requirements directly and fully. Practice fluency. Speak confidently and naturally, without hesitating too much. Practice speaking English regularly to improve fluency. Ideas. Elaborate on your answers with examples and details to showcase your language skills. Focus on predictions. Anticipate the kind of information you'll hear based on the question types. This helps you stay engaged and follow the conversation or lecture more effectively. Take notes. Write down key details to help remember information. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, keep learning and achieving.